mostly listening to the guy. But he wrote a beautiful song, tribute to our buddy. And he was kind enough to ask me to sing with him on the record, and I'm grateful for that. And I love both guys enough that I'm going to play it for you guys tonight. This is called Parrots and Parrots. Another dollar on the wall, another poet with a pen, another beach bum with a dog, another stranger sailing in, and the water's just as blue. We want to hear about everything, but we're all here missing you. All the pirates and the parrots sing. Adios, my friend, anchor where that ocean ends. We'll pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor's song. We'll hold down this song tonight, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we'll raise our drinks. All the pirates and the parrots sing. Oh, raise the bridge, the drifters coming through. There's a golden stretch of beach that's waiting there on you. Is the water just as blue? We want to hear about everything, but we're all here missing you. And all the pirates and the parrots sing. Adios, my friend, and where that ocean ends. We'll pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor's song. We hold down this song tonight, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we raise our drinks. All the pirates and the parrots sing. Oh, too soon, but left us all. Pass the torch to carry on. As long as people sing along, we'll go on and on and on. Adios, my friend, anchor where that ocean ends. We'll pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor's song. Hold down this song tonight, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we'll raise our drink. All the pirates and the parrots sing. Oh, 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 oh. Adios, my